Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to change the date format in Google Sheets into the MMDDYYYY or month, day, year with leading zeros format. First, click and drag to select the cells that contain your date values. Next, click Format in the top menu, then go to Number, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Custom Date and Time. In the formatting window that will open, look for the format as you scroll down the preset templates. You can also format these using the drop-downs for each category. For the month, select Month with leading 0. For the day, select Day with leading 0. For the year, select the full numeric year. Then click Apply. Your dates will now appear in the format that you want. So, that is how you change the date format in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.